and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm gonna talk and show you what I've got in the Boxycharm Boxyluxe Starter box. So if this is something that is interesting to you, then just keep on watching. Boxycharm is a monthly US beauty subscription that has different layer of boxes. They have the base box that retails for $25 plus tax. The premium box that retails for $35 plus tax. And they also have the Boxyluxe. The Boxyluxe, it's coming every 3 months and it replaces your base box from that current month. If you don't choose to upgrade to Boxyluxe, then you are continuing to get every month your base box, because March is the month when the Boxyluxe it is upcoming. I will say that this is the March starter box, but basically I got this box on February, because on February, I think after 15th of February, I have decided to upgrade my box to Boxyluxe. I am living in Europe and Boxycharm, they do ship to United States and Canada. So if you are not living in the US, you still have the chance to enjoy those wonderful boxes by getting a shipping forwarding company. There are a lot of them to choose from. Maybe I'll do a separate video about what are the pros and cons for different companies. I will put on my description box the company that I'm using right now. And if you are outside of United States, you can use this shipping forwarding system. They also have a UK warehouse. And if you sign up for the first time using the referral code that they give me when I registered, I think you and me will both get $5 credit. Now, returning to Boxyluxe, when you first sign up, they will charge you for $24.99 US, and they are going to send you a start box, because when they sent me this box, I thought that I will not receive my March box. And also in February I was able to do my customization, so you can customize 2 products for Boxyluxe, whilst for base and premium you are only able to customize 1 product. Now, I don't know if it was shipped in this box. I just borrowed this box from the base box that I received together with the other packaging from shipping company that I got for February, but they misplaced my box, the outer packaging, and also I don't have a leaflet. I'm sure that Boxy have put me a leaflet, however I don't have, so I will not be able to refer to any of the prices from the products inside, but I will try when I'm editing to put those prices up on the screen. So inside there are 4 products, and this is what I've got. This is a sneak peek. So the first product that they have given to me is the iconic London. This is the Blaze Chaser face palette, and I've actually worn this palette on my face yesterday when I've recorded my Ipsy Glam Bag welcoming box. So I have used the contour shade and this blush. They are really nice. The blush is beautiful, it's so subtle. However, I have also used the highlighter, but I find it that it's a bit dark for me. Yeah, this wants to be a bronzer. This is the contour powder, which works perfect for me. This is the blush that I love. Look guys, how nice it swatches. And this is a blush with a coat of sheen to it. Actually, it doesn't swatches that bad. So this is the other one, the one with shimmer. So you get 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighters. Really nice, this palette. I got to try for the first time the iconic London face products and I enjoy it. I was so thrilled when I've seen this pouch of brushes. They are by Luxe, and this is a really nice velvet pouch, and inside I have 8 brushes. So there are 3 for the face and 5 for the eyes. They are really lovely. I have few brushes from Luxe, and I really enjoy them. I don't think so that I have any of the brushes they have put me. So for example, this is the crease brush. They are extremely soft. I haven't used them yet. I need to wash them before doing that. So what I like is that all the brushes that are inside are going to be used by me. So there is no brush that I would say I don't like. This brush, I can see myself using it for defining concealer underneath my eyes, or to clean up my lips area if I over apply the lipstick and it's bleeding. So really useful. This is a angled blending crease brush, and this is your shading brush. So all of them are extremely soft. The face brushes, you have this one that it's meant to be for a foundation. Those are not so popular, I will say that. Usually people are not using those foundation brushes as of now. This is more for a highlight purpose, but I like to use this kind of brushes to set the powder underneath my eyes. And this is your contour brush. I hope I'm not wrong. Flat contouring, yeah. There is also written on the handle what for they are good, but the written is a bit fading because it's golden on gold. And I found this pouch, it's really nice, sturdy and good quality, and it will be perfect for traveling. I have another pouch for traveling from another company, so when we will be able to travel, I'm happy that I have now another one, because that one is never enough for the brushes that I'm usually traveling with. I used to travel, I have to say. The third product that I was so excited about when I seen it, I could not believe that I got this. This is the Hipdot C-Note eyeshadow palette, pressed eyeshadow C-Note. I hope this is correctly the name of the palette. Sorry guys, if I don't have a leaflet, I cannot refer to that. And I know many people got this palette and they love it. I remember Jackie Naturals, she loves this palette, and yeah, I wanted so badly to have it. I think you all who have the Boxyluxe, you got this palette on December. And those are the beautiful shades. I did not use it today. Just one single problem. I see the shade from this corner. It's broken. Now it's understandable considering the long traveling that this poor palette had, but I'm going to press it with alcohol and save it because it's just cracked. It's not spilled. I didn't lose too much of the product. So from this reason I did not swatch the palette. Yeah, so I'm even a bit careful when I'm showing it to you because I don't want to lose some of the pigment, but I'm looking forward to try this palette. From this reason I did not use it today. I'm usually trying when I'm doing an unboxing video. If I have an eyeshadow palette on that particular box, I will use it for the eye makeup on that day, but today I'm using the same eyeshadow palette that I used yesterday when I did my Welcome Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. So I have used the Violet Voss Pink eyeshadow palette. So this is on my eyes in case you are wondering what I have. And the last product that I've got, actually this is a bit more funky shade for me. It's a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Kinster. When I've seen the shade, I was a bit, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. It's not a shade that I'm going to rock, to be honest, but I don't know. I don't know if I will keep it or not. Maybe for some funky looks, but from this reason I'm not going to swatch it. But on the meantime, I'm thinking, who on earth could love this shade? So I don't know guys, let me know if one of you loves this lipstick shade or if you have it. I'm really curious to see if you enjoy this kind of shade. And that's all. Of course, as I told you, this is not the original box. They probably shipped in different Boxycharm box, which has been misplaced by the shipping company that I don't currently use it. As I told you, I returned back to the first shipping company that I've used in January, the Planet Express. But other than that, let me know, guys, if you are a Boxycharm subscriber and if you are going to get the Boxyluxe this month. I cannot wait to receive my box. I'm excited for the product that I've customized, especially for one of the products. Don't forget, if you don't live in the US and you want to try some of their boxes, you have this amazing opportunity to try one of the shipping forwarding systems. So that was the reason that I've decided to get more boxes, because on January I only took the base box, and using the standard shipping, it took over 1 month to reach here to me in Europe. So I said I need to go for the expedite shipping, but just to pay for that shipping for one single box, it's not worth. So that's the reason that I decided I will try all the Boxycharm boxes and the Ipsy. I don't know for how long I'm going to keep those subscriptions, but for the moment I'm enjoying those. This is like a dream come true for me. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.